Hey everyone, in this quick demo, I will be demonstrating tfiam, a Python homebrew script that can analyze your Terraform code and suggest IAM permissions so you can use an assumed role instead of admin credentials. First, you can clone the repo. After you can clone the repo, you open it with your editor of choice. From there, you can install the homebrew package. You can do it via CLI commands, or you can run a simple install script that I have in the scripts. You have to give it run permissions, and you can install the script. The script will ensure that you have homebrew installed, as well as installing the tfiam homebrew package. Once the script runs successfully, you can cd back into the root of the repo. From there, you can run tfiam. It will launch with this cyberpunk style CLI. From there, you can specify the directory which you want to scan. You can use dot for the current directory. However, you have to ensure that there is Terraform code in the directory you're planning to scan. In this case, there is no Terraform code, and the Terraform code is in examples. So from there, I would say yes, I would like to try a different directory, and I will specify examples. Once we do that, you have two options: either to run it without AI. I do not recommend this. This is faster with basic explanations, and the script can get the permissions wrong a lot of times. However, it provides a very good basis for the AI to provide improvements and suggestions, so I will run it in the AI mode. From there, you can specify the output. The default is tfiam-output, which I am happy with. And quiet mode will be quieter in the CLI responses. From there, since I chose the AI mode, I have to provide an open API key, so I will very easily fetch one by visiting platform.openai.com. I will log into my user, which I already have, and from there I will go to settings, API keys, and then create new secret API key. For this one, I will call demo, and I will scope it to this default project, and then I will create the secret key. Please do not share this key with anyone, as it can cause issues, security risks for you. And there I will paste the open API key, and you can see it captured it successfully, and I will save it to my shell so I don't have to keep exporting it. From there, the analysis will run against my Terraform code that is currently here, and it will generate the tfiam output. You can see that it already cached the AI response. In that way, it is more cost efficient, and it doesn't keep querying your API and generating costs for you. And then after it finished, it will generate the tfiam permissions .json. The main one is the one that runs without the AI. This is the main JSON file, and then here is a report that basically explains all of these statements and what they do. And you can see the cache here. If you do decide to choose the optimized option, which might incur extra costs, this one will cross-reference the JSON with the OpenAI explanations that we have generated in the report, and it will ensure that your script is more secure and provide some suggestions to help. From here, you can see the -AI powered JSON is the JSON that will be generated for you by OpenAI, which will be more scoped, more secure, more detailed as well.